Now some number. So we will continue the sums related to exponents. Now sum number 8. Sum number 8, it is written, write each expression such that there is no variable in the denominator. No variable in the denominator means numerical coefficient will be there, but variable will not be there in the denominator. Variable means x, y, z, a, b, c, like that. So for example, the sum is that the first sum is what? 3r to the power minus 2 s cube divided by 12 r to the power minus 3 s to the power 7. No variable in the denominator, so it is okay, number will be there. Then r to the power minus 2, take it in the numerator, so it will become plus 3, s to the power 3 minus 7, and that is equal to what? 1 divided by 4. Why? Because 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So r to the power 3 minus 2, that is 1, and s to the power minus 4, and 1 we will not write, we won't write, it will be written in the form r s to the power minus 4. So nothing is there in the, no variable is there in the denominator, only the variables are in the numerator. Next sum is sum number 3. 5m to the power 0, sorry, 5m to the power 0 n to the power minus 2 divided by 4mn to the power minus 3, that is equal to, anything to the power 0 is 1. So 5m to the power 0 is 1, so it is 1, n to the power minus 2 into, then again here 4m n to the power minus 3, okay, and that is equal to n to the power minus 2. This n will go up, so it will be plus 3, and this m, I'll take it in the numerator, then it will be m to the power minus 1. This one and this one is there, so division is there, so powers will be subtracted. So minus and minus will become plus, and then this is in the denominator. When I will take it in the numerator, then it will be m to the power minus 1, and this 4 is left, so this is 1 by 4, because it is given that no variable will be there in the denominator. Number can be, numerical coefficient is there, variable coefficient I will put it in the numerator. So it is equal to 1 by 4 n to the power 1. 1 I will not write here, m to the power minus 1. Next is 9 number sum. It is given, just simplify. Okay, simplify. The sum is that 2 to the power minus n, 8 to the power 2n plus 1, 16 to the power 2n divided by 4 to the power 3n. Now I know 8, it is the 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 to the power 3, 16, that is 2 multiplied 4 times, then I will get it 16, so it is 2 to the power 4. You can check it here also, that 8, that is what, 2 4 are 8, 2 2s are 4, it means 8 is equal to 2 to the power 3. 16 is equal to what, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are, and 2 2s are 4. So it is 16 is equal to 2 to the power 4. Okay. So here in this sum, I will convert all 8, 16 and 4 in terms of the power of 2. Convert it in terms of power of 2. So it is 2 to the power minus n, and instead of 8, I will write 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power n plus 1 into, it is 2 to the power 16 is what, 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 2n, and instead of 4 I will write 2 to the power 2. whole to the power 3n, and that is equal to what? 2 to the power minus n. Now everything is in the term of 2 to the power. So it is 2 to the power, it is 4 8n plus 4 into 1, that is 4, into 2 to the power 4 to the 8n, divided by 2 2 3 is 6, 6n, and that is equal to what? Now all are in the term 2 to the power something. So power of base is same, that is 2. So if multiplication, the power will be added, and when division, the power will be subtracted. So I can convert it in this form. All these will be added, powers will be added. N plus 8n plus 4 plus 8n, this 8n I have written here, and after that this is 6n, but it is in the denominator part, so that will be subtracted, so it will be minus 6n, and equal to what? 2 to the power minus 8n, 8 at 16, 16n minus 16n minus 7n plus 4, and that is equal to 2 to the power 16 minus 7 is 9n plus 4. So your answer is 2 to the power 9n plus 4. So here everywhere I will convert it into 2 to the power whatever, and then the powers will be added if multiplication, and if it is in the denominator, then the power will be subtracted. Again simplify this sum. Third, 0.6 to the power 0 minus 0.1 to the power minus 1 divided by 3 by 2 whole to the power minus 1, 3 by 2 whole to the power 3 plus 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 1. Okay, let's do this sum. Equal to anything to the power 0, that is equal to 1. Okay, so I will write instead of this whole thing 1 minus this power is minus 1. Okay, so and 0.1 is what? 0.1 is equal to 1 divided by 10. So first I write this 1 by 10 whole to the power minus 1, that is equal to, so this is negative, to make it positive what I will do, this numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator, then this power is 1 plus 1, so plus 1 I will not write it here, into, let it be here, this is 3 by 2 whole to the power 3 plus minus 3 to the power 1. So that is equal to 1 minus 10. Why it is 10? Because 1 by 10 to the power minus 1. So to make it positive, this 10 will come up, 1 will go down. So it is 1 minus 10 divided by, this is 2 to the power 3 divided by 3 into 3 to the power 3 to 3 into minus 3. Minus 3 is equal to what? Minus 1 into 3 can I write? So This, instead of this, I will write 3 into minus 1 equal to minus 9, because 1 minus 10 is equal to 9, divided by, now this is 2 to the power 3, this is also 2 to the power 3, so okay, this will be cancelled, and 3 to the power 3 divided by 3, so it is equal to what? 3 to the power 3 minus 1 you can write, or you can do one thing, this will be cancelled by this, so what is left? Only 3 to the power minus 3 into minus 1, and that is equal to what? Minus 9, and 3 to the power 3 is 27, and this is minus, so minus minus cancel, it is 1 divided by 3. So answer is your 1 by 3. Again, once I am repeating the same sum, here it is 0.6 to the power 0, so that is equal to 1, minus this 0.1 I have written 1 by 10 to the power minus 1, divided by, to make it positive, this 2 to the power 3 will become the numerator and this 3 will become the denominator, then this is 3 by 2 cube, plus minus, to make this positive, this denominator taken up, so it is minus 3. Now 1 minus 10, why? Because this will come here to make it positive 10. Then this I have written 2 to the power 3 by 3 into this breakdown 3 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 2. This will be cancelled and this will become 3 into minus 1. This 3 also cancelled. So now next is 10 minus, this is minus 9. This part, what is left over? Only this and this one. So this both I have written here. So this minus 9, 3 to the power 3 is 27 and minus 1, that is minus. Cancelled and it is 1 by 3. That is your answer. Next, sum number 10. Sum number 10 is what? 9 to the power n into 3 to the power 5 into 27 to the power 3 divided by 3 into 81 to the power 4 is equal to 27. And you have to find out the value of n. This n you have to find out the value of n. N is the question mark. What is the value of n? Now here 9, 3, 27, 81. I know that all these I can convert it in the form of 3 to the power, means in terms of power of 3, because 27 is equal to 3 to the power 3. 81, it is 3 to the power 4. 9, 3 square. So 9, 27, 81. First I will convert it in the terms of power of 3. So that is what? 9 to the power n. 9 is what? 3 square whole to the power this n into 3 to the power 5 into 27. It is 3 to the power 3 whole to this 3 now, divided by 3 into 81. 81 is 3 to the power 4. 81, 3 to the power 4 to the power 4. This 4 is here, equal to 27, 3 to the power 3. So I have converted here everything in terms of power of 3. So now next is, all are, this is 3 to the power 2n into 3 to the power 5 into 3 3s are 9, so it is 3 to the power 9 divided by 3 into 3 to the power 16 is equal to 3 to the power. Therefore, it is equal to what? 3 to the power 2n into 3 to the power 5 plus 9 divided by 3 to the power 1 plus 16 is equal to 3 to the power 3. That is what? 3 to the power 2n into 3 to the power what? 5 and 9 is 14 divided by 3 to the power 17 is equal to 3 to the power 3. That is 3 to the power 2n. Even I can write plus 14 minus 17 is equal to 3 to the power 3. All the powers, this added and this will be subtracted because it is in the division part, and this I have written. That is equal to what? 3 to the power 2n plus, sorry, this will be minus 3 is equal to 3 to the power minus 3 to the power 3. Now suppose I write here x to the power y is equal to x to the power z, then obviously y will be equal to z. So here also the same thing, 3 to the power this, and this is what, 3 to the power this. So it means this whole thing is equal to this. So I can write 2n minus 3 is equal to, so 2n is equal to 3 will come this side, so 3 plus 3, 6 divided by 2, that is equal to, so the value of n is what? That is equal to 3. Value of n is 3. Now next sum we will do, next sum is sum number 11. Sum number 11, all of you try once. Sum number 11, exercise 2, already we have done sum number 10. Now okay, all of you, sum number 11 subpart 1. 11 subpart 1, that is what? X to the power a divided by x to the power b whole to the power a plus b into x to the power b divided by x to the power c whole to the power b plus c, x to the power c divided by x to the power a whole to the power c plus a equal to 1. Okay, here what you have to do, you have to prove that this is equal to this. So this is what, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So I will start from the left hand side. We will start from left hand side. LHS. LHS means L for left, H for hand and S for side. Left hand side. So here x to the power a divided by x to the power b. So bases are same. So powers will be subtracted. So I can write here x to the power a minus b. Instead of this whole thing, I'll write this, and to the power a plus b into x to the power b minus c whole to the power b plus c into xc minus a whole to the power c plus a. Okay. Now this will be multiplied by this. And I think you know that a plus b into a minus b. The formula is that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here it is what? X to the power a square minus b square. And for this part, this is x b minus c into b plus c. So it is b square minus c square. And then x to the power c square minus a square. Now bases are same, so powers will be added because it is multiplication. So x to the power a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. that is equal to what? X, a square minus a square, that is 0, cancel. B square minus b square plus b square, again it is cancelled, this also cancelled. So all cancelled. It means it is x to the power 0, and we know then anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So I will write here 1, and that is what? That is my right hand side. So I can write this is what? This is equal to right hand side. And since now left hand side is equal to right hand side, so this is, I can write that in the bracket, it is proved. In the same way you will do the next sum. Now next again I'll do for you sum number 12, subpart 2. Sum number 12, that is the last sum now I am doing for you. 125 divided by 8 into 125 divided by 8 whole to the power x is equal to 5 by 2 to the power 18. Now here 125 divided by 8, I know that 125 is, I can convert it in the terms of power of 5, and 8 I can convert it in power of 2. Okay, keeping that I'll start the sum. So I can write this 5, 125 is 5 cube and 8 is 2 cube into, again this is 5 cube, 2 cube whole to the power x equal to 5 by 2 to the power 18. This left hand side, this is power of 5 by 2, and right hand side also it is in terms of power of 5 by 2, means both the sides I will equate such that the bases will be same, left hand side as well as right hand side. Now next is this, I can write 5 by 2 whole cube into 5 by 2 whole cube and x, so this is 3x equal to 5 by 2 whole 18, and that is what? 5 by 2 whole to the power 3 plus 3x, because powers will be added, equal to 5 by 2 whole to the power 18. Now since the bases are same, so powers are equal, so I can say therefore 3 plus 3x is equal to 18, or 3x is equal to 18 minus 3. I am writing here. So 3x is equal to what? 18 minus 3, that is equal to 15. So x is equal to what? 15 divided by 3, that is 5. It means the value of x is what? 5. In these type of sums, right hand side and left hand side we will convert in the such a way that bases will be same, so that I can equalize the powers and bases will be cancelled, and then I can find out the value of x. So this is all about the few selected sums we have done from exponent chapter.